Hello, Namaskar, Birendra Singh. I will explain here series and parallel combination of chapter electricity for the class 10 physics. So what is series connection and what is parallel connection? What is the equivalent resistance in series and equivalent resistance in parallel, and how will you find the potential difference across resistors in series and current through the resistors R1 and R2 in parallel. So first, series connection. Say here is resistor R1, I name it R1, and another resistor I take R2. So this resistor R1 has two ends. One end I put here 1, and for R1 I put here 2, and for R2 again 1, and here is 2. So join this 2 with 1, that is end terminal of R1 is joined with the start terminal of R2, and this will be in series. Now I take this one is 1. I take a battery and putting the battery positive, negative, positive, negative like this, and here I put close switch and join with this one. This is positive terminal, negative terminal. Current will flow from positive to negative. I put here I. You see here in series resistors of R1 and R2, current will be same, and potential difference across R1 will be V1 and potential difference across R2 will be V2. So we will apply Ohm's law here also. So in this way, again I am putting here, making the circuit R1 and R2, and here you will put a voltmeter. Connect the voltmeter across R1, and here also another voltmeter 2 across R2, and here you will put ammeter in series and battery with key. Now your circuit is completed, and here put the arrow, current flows in this circuit I. So we have to find the R equivalent, and here you can name it capacity of the battery V, here is K, switch. So ammeter is always put in series and voltmeters across the resistor. So we will find the equivalent resistance. So equivalent resistance, how will you find? So battery, total battery voltage V is equal to V1 plus V2, and V is I into R equivalent. I put here R eq, and V1 is equal to I into R1 like this, and V2 is equal to I into R2 I put here. So I from left side and I from right side will be cancelled, so you will get R equivalent, this will be equal to R1 plus R2. For the two resistor, R equivalent will be R1 plus R2. For three resistors, R equivalent will be R1 plus R2 plus R3 like this. And here R1 and R2 are unequal resistances. Say if R1 and R2 both are equal and its value is R, then R equivalent will be R plus R equal to 2R. Now in the question it is given R1 is equal to 3 ohm and R2 is equal to 6 ohm. So for the first part in series combination, R equivalent by this formula, R1 is equal to 3, R2 is equal to 6, and this will be equal to 9 ohm. For the C part, total current in the circuit, total current I by Ohm's law, I is equal to V upon R equivalent. You put R equivalent, V upon R equivalent, and V is given 12 volt, R equivalent you get 9, so 12 upon 9, 4 upon 3, so this will be 1.33 ampere, 1.33 ampere. You can write 1 upon 1.33 ampere or 4 upon 3 ampere you can write. Now for the potential difference across R1, say V1 is equal to I into R1, write the formula, and I is equal to 4 upon 3 multiply R1 is equal to 3, so this will be equal to 4 volt, and V2 is equal to I into R2, and here I is equal to again 4 upon 3 multiply R2, and R2 is 6 ohm, so it will be 8 volt, and you can check here for this one 4 volt and 8 volt. Now you got it in this series combination, R equivalent equal to 9 ohm, that is adding all the resistors for series, and I you got it potential difference, that is battery capacity 12 volt upon total resistance, or R equivalent 12 upon 9, and it will be 4 upon 3 ampere or 1.33 ampere, and V1 also you got by using the formula, V1 is equal to IR1 and V2 is equal to IR2. For parallel combination, two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel, so we made like this. So start of resistor R1 and start of resistor R2, start terminal and end terminal of resistor R1 and end terminal of resistor R2. We will connect like this and put here with the battery and with the key and with the ammeter in series and join it. So this is key, this is the battery V. So R1 R2 now connected in parallel. For parallel combination, you see here the potential difference across R1 and R2 will be same, but current will be divided. This I will be divided in branch as I1 and I2. Here it is I1 and here it is I2. So I will be divided with I1 and I2. So I will be equal to I1 plus I2. You can write I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2. Okay. Now, so you can derive the formula I equal to V upon R equivalent is equal to I1 is equal to V1 upon R1 plus I2 is equal to V2 upon R2. Now V1 and V2 both are same, so you will mention here V upon R1 plus V upon, you can erase it, V upon R2 or cut it, V upon R1 plus V upon R2. So we get I is equal to V upon R equivalent, so 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Now 1 upon R2. Now, so in this way we are getting R equivalent 1 upon R 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So R equivalent is equal to R1 R2, that is product of two resistors divided by sum of two resistors R1 plus R2. Here in this case for two resistors. So in this way R1 is given 3 ohm, R2 is equal to 6 ohm. So 3 multiply 6 upon 3 plus 6, and it comes out to be 18 upon 9, 2 ohm. So we are getting answer here, this answer here 2 ohm for the parallel combination. And for total current I is equal to battery voltage is 12 volt upon R equivalent, we are getting 2 ohm. So this will be 6 ampere. And now the potential difference across R1 and R2, you know, in parallel will be same. So V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V is equal to 12 volt. This is the answer. So I hope you understood this question and topic of series and parallel combinations. Thank you so much.